Hey guys, we're back again today. Got another kind of oddball piece today we're going to work on. I actually got two of these this week. Wanted to show them to you. We actually have the Power Rangers electronic talking arcade bank today. I've got this one. It's the one we're going to be working on. I've got another one here. We're going to actually open it up. It's actually in box. Just kind of wanted to do a unboxing on it to show what we're working with. This one I've already put batteries in it. Actually I've got it loose here in the back. Takes 3 AAA's. Go ahead and stick it in. I'll show you what we've got going on. I've got a feeling this one's probably done for as far as electronics. I don't think we'll get much more out of it. It does have something rattling around inside. We're going to see what that is. I'm hoping it's just a quarter or something rattling around. But so far with this one, all that we've had, see if I can even get it to work. Let's see. It's not even wanting to work at all now. It's supposed to actually video screen lights up with images, sound effects. It's got a voice alarm. I did manage to get the screen going the other day, but it's looking like we're not going to get anything on this one. But anyways, I'll pop these batteries back out. We'll lay this one to the side. The one that we have in box, I've not actually tried. So, lay my tools out of the way. This is actually the one that we have in box. And before anybody flips out, it's not actually sealed. It's been opened before. So, let's give you a quick look at the actual boxing for this. So, I'm actually going to pop it open, do a check on it, because both of these are going to be for sale. I wanted to make sure that at least this one may work. It's a little bit better shape, but it has definitely seen some sunlight. You can see the actual sticker decals on the front have started to peel just a little bit. I think it's had a little bit too much sun. They stuck back down there. But anyways, let's try this. Lay the package to the side. Actually, show you the back. You actually got the battery compartment here. Down here you've got the little change drawer for when you drop everything out. I knew I brought pliers for a reason. Just pop that open, get your change out. But what I'm looking at said, pop the battery compartment over. Stick some, as far as I know these batteries are fresh, I hope so.
Intruder alert, intruder alert.
Oh, sounds like something's working. Alright, let's see if we can actually get anything going here.
The good guys are here. It's morphin' time. We're the Power Rangers.
Works pretty good. That's pretty awesome. Try the
The good
joystick
guys
there.
are here. It's morphin' time. We're the Power Rangers.
Pretty cool. Let's see. The next thing I actually want to try and deposit some change. I may have to grab a few coins here. Okay, let's try this and see how this works with depositing a little change. Not too well, first off. Okay. Thought it actually made noise when you deposit, but I didn't get anything on that one. So, I think it's supposed to have an alarm when you actually try to take the money out. I'm not getting that from either one, so maybe not. Try and deposit that again, see how it works.
Coin accepted.
There we go.
The good guys are here. It's morphin' time. We're the Power Rangers.
Had to put just a little bit more pressure on that one I put in. But this is what we're shooting for on the other one. Like I said, I'm pretty sure the speaker unit's bad in it. We're going to take it apart, if nothing else, just to see what's rattling around in there and maybe take a look at it. Maybe one of those that I keep around in the parts bin for when I get another one of these and I need something off of it. But we'll see how it goes. On this one, I think it's pretty simple as far as the way it comes apart. You've got, from the looks of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 small Phillips screws. We'll see if we can't get those out pretty quick. Take the back off and see what we got. More than likely, I think we've got some change rolling around in the back of this one. That's all it is. More than likely, some kid has used this one a lot over the years because it's got quite a bit of wear on it. It's just worn out. I knew these little Phillips screws were going to be a little tough to break loose. Let's see if we can. At least get them started to where we can turn them out. Ratchet here. Let's see. I've got a couple that's going to be tough. I think these look as though somebody may have tried to take them loose at one point. Anyway. Not sure I'm making any headway with that one. I believe it has basically been stripped out. So, carry on with the other ones. That one may have to be drilled to get it open. I'm not sure exactly what causes it. It seems like a lot of toys that I get in. I don't know if the speakers in these just give out over time. But I've had a lot of Tiger Zords in the last couple years. I've gotten in, they'll still light up. And to look at them, they look like they've been well taken care of. But you go to use it and no sound. So I'm guessing it's something with the speaker units that's causing the problems. nice to take the back off this and find something's just disconnected, but I know better than that. That'd be way too easy. May actually be able to take a look at it without having to pop that final screw. And there's the culprit. Not sure if you can see that or not, but if you can hear that sound, that was what we were looking for. So, the speaker unit, everything's still connected. Everything's as it should be inside. So, we'll set this back on. I'm going to try and put the batteries back in. Really wanted to get the back off so I could show what's going on in there, but I'd rather not have to drill that out, especially right at the moment. Let's see. Pop the batteries back out of this other unit. Try it again. Like I said, more than likely this one may wind up in the parts bin unless I find somebody that's looking for it just to display. Go on their shelf. Well, I do have the video working on it. Lights actually lit up across the front of the screen. Try it again. It does light up. Just no luck with the speaker on it. So more than likely this one will probably go for parts. But I didn't want to show the other one today. Do an unboxing of it. Let you kind of see what these things look like when they were new. Always kind of cool to see how they were originally packaged and how they originally worked. But definitely going to have some more videos the next couple days. I've got some more Tiger Zords to repair, a bunch of other stuff, some Red Battle Zords, and a bunch of other stuff. I've got a whole collection of toys that I've purchased that I'm working through. So if you like what you see, comment, subscribe. But I appreciate you watching, and like I said, hopefully have some new stuff shortly. Okay, we're back again with this bank. I'm not gonna lie, curiosity got the better of me. Upon a little further investigation, the reason we don't have any sound is this right here. On the front of these, we'll use this other one for an example. Your speaker is right underneath this. When I got to looking, I actually noticed that this one looked like the magnet was missing from it. And when I finally got the back panel off, I got the one bad screw that was causing the problem. If y'all want to see what this looks like, I said you just got your coin container here, you've got your 3 tabs that trigger electronics when your coins come in, but this magnet was causing the problem. So, like I said, I couldn't help myself. What I'm going to attempt to do, I actually already set it back in. When I took the back off, I was able to get this plate, reflective plate, off the front right here where your images are at. There's actually a little slot that goes up to the speaker right up there. Well, I set the magnet back in, tried the button, actually had sound. It wasn't really loud, but I still had sound. So what I'm going to attempt to do is actually use this screwdriver. I'm going to put just a drop of glue to actually set this back into place, to get it glued into place to set where it needs to be, to where we at least have some sound versus none. So, like I said, we're going to cross our fingers on this one. We have, this would be the back side of our speaker magnet. I'm sure it was glued at one time. We're just going to put a little bit of this Loctite gel super glue. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to attempt to very carefully slide this back in, put just a little pressure on it to where we can actually set it in place and do what we need to do. this is not one I'm not going to be able to show it on camera really easy. But basically, we'll slide into that little compartment up there, put it in place. Hope and pray I can get my screwdriver back out and leave it in place. It's one of those where I need more hands than I actually have. Alright, screwdriver's out. I'm actually using a, believe it or not, a sucker stick. Let's hold just a little bit of pressure on that while it sets up. Like I said, I want just a little bit because of the actual cone around that speaker. I don't want to break anything, don't want to bust it. I'm just going to hold it in place for a minute. Hopefully let our glue set back up. And we'll try it. Like I said, it doesn't have the same volume as the original one, the other one we had that was working really well, but it does work now, which is better than nothing. So I'll take that as a win for today. Appreciate you all watching. I was just one of those things you can't leave well enough alone. I had to see if I couldn't do something with it, but appreciate it. Tune in next time.